Investing in property can be incredibly rewarding, but it's important to do your homework so you can make informed decisions. So let me give you some factors you should consider before investing in property. Location, location, location. The location of your property can greatly affect its value and potential for making money. Properties in desirable areas like schools, park, cities, and good transport link attract tenants and buyers. This can lead to higher rental income and increase in property value. On the other hand, properties in less desirable areas might not attract many tenants and buyers, impacting your potential income and growth. Let's talk about market analysis and rental demand. It's crucial to assess how well an area is doing economically and its potential for growth. Factors like jobs, population growth, amenities does affect your property value and demand. Understand the rental demand is key too. Check vacancy rates, check the rental prices, the demand for different property types in your area. This will help you make a smart decision about your investment. Now, property types. You can choose between going into residential properties or you can choose into going to commercial property space. Residential properties provide steady income from tenants, which is often stable, while commercial properties like offices and store do yield a higher return, but this income is tied to the success of the business. Now, let's talk about your financial options. The question is, how will you pay for it? Most people use leverage, which you pay back over time with interest. Now, how do you access this? You need to have a good credit score, which will show how reliable you are at repaying loans. This will affect your ability to get a mortgage and the interest you might receive. It is wise to consult a financial advisor or a mortgage broker to choose the best mortgage option for your investment plan.